Yeah, we have it, it's just not. So we do not have a Murphy bed in this room. Oh, the artwork is, remember just in the scene from Sleeping Beauty where the owl is the prince?
Oh, right.
And there's our pack and play that we'll set up for Jasper's nap. Very stiff couch.
Is it still? I'll sit on it for you.
Okay, yes, I do need you to test. Okay, Justin's gonna test. Okay, the pillows are new.
2 years later, yeah, wait, we didn't have pillows last
We didn't have pillows last year. They're nice.
nice.
Okay,
Yeah.
so what's the verdict about the...
Still firm, but the cushion actually goes down a little
Nice,
bit, so it's better.
nice.
2 years of butts.
Oh, I kind of love the mirror. Yeah, hello. I kind of love the mirror here and the chairs. We didn't have this last time. Here's our balcony. Hello, Carnival. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy to be back on the leash.
That's pretty.